Hey guys, I got a question for you. Hmm? What is it? What is it, Denji? Yeah, what could you possibly want? Okay. Hear me out. What is your favorite all-time WWE superstar? Hmm. WWE. Is that one of those wrestling things, Denji? Yeah, man. Hmm. Well, if I could pick one, that would probably be The Undertaker. I mean, he was undefeated at WrestleMania 4. Wait, before? What do you mean, Kishibe? What I meant by before, because I'm like, he got a good streak until it got broken by Brock Lesnar. Good point. Well, my favorite superstars are probably John Cena because he is without doubt the greatest of all time. Ooh, John Cena, Undertaker, good choices. My probably Mine is probably my Rey Mysterio because let me tell you something. Um, Rey Mysterio is probably the greatest luchadors of all time. Hell, even my Chainsaw Man uniform is just like my Chainsaw mask. God, man, that is very funny. Let's not let's not we not let's not that monkey my vote here. Good point. It's just a conversation between us buds. Yeah. Mm, you can say that.